Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Search Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Mercedes 2019 building year W910 chassis, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition on, and then, because we don't have the buttons on the steering wheel, we're going to use these 4 buttons over here. Press the OK button or the return button, then scroll to the right to find settings, press OK to enter, then scroll down to find display and operations, press OK, then you'll have the language area like this. Press OK to enter the language, scroll down to the desired language, let's say Dutch, press OK, use the back button to go out of the menu, and as you can see the language has been set to Dutch. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.